This is Doodles in 1 minute. Doodles is a collection of 10,000 colourful and joyful pastel characters, including apes, cats and aliens, all with their own unique vibe. The artwork comes from internationally recognised artist Scott Martin, who works under the alias Burnt Toast. His philosophy is to create good quality art that reaches a large audience. A small sample of his clients include household names such as Google, Red Bull and Facebook. Doodles ownership allows you to vote on upcoming events, features and products. These experiences are funded by the Doodle Bank, the community treasury that boasts an impressive balance due to the popularity of the project. Now, a good example of this is the release of Space Doodles, which will launch in early 2022, taking collectors into the cosmos for the first time. This next stage of the roadmap, whilst expanding the Doodles brand, will unlock additional merchandise, products and events that will be exclusive to its collectors. Let us know in the comment section below what you think about Doodles. As always, do your own research and follow us for more.